Welcome! If you've ever missed an important Instagram direct video call because your phone didn't vibrate, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn on vibration for Instagram direct video calls. This updated guide will make sure you never miss a call again, whether you're chatting with friends, family, or colleagues. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your main settings menu. This is where you control all your device's core features. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps. Tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Now look for Instagram in the list. You can either scroll down or use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Once you spot Instagram, tap on it to open its app-specific settings. Next, you'll see several options related to Instagram. Find and tap on Notifications. This section lets you customize how and when Instagram notifies you about different activities. Inside the Notifications menu, look for the option that says Instagram Direct Video Call. This is the specific setting that controls notifications for video calls in your Instagram direct messages. Tap on it to open more options. Here's the important part. You'll see a toggle or switch labeled Vibrate. If it's turned off, simply tap the switch to turn it on. Once enabled, your phone will vibrate every time you receive a direct video call on Instagram. That's it. You've successfully set up vibration for Instagram direct video calls. Now, whenever someone tries to reach you through a video call on Instagram, you'll feel a gentle vibration, making sure you never miss a moment. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends and let us know in the comments if you have any other questions about Instagram features. Thanks for watching.